Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the date and time in WhatsApp is incorrect. A very simple method. All you have to do is the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Go to the settings, then go down, click on the system and updates, then click on the date and time. Just to note that if your phone settings are not my phone settings, go back, then go to the settings search engine and write the time or date and time. After that, the time or date and time will appear here, then click on it. After that, you activate this feature. After that, click on the time zone and select your time zone. Then at the bottom here, click here and choose your city so that it gives the correct time. Thus, you will be able to solve the problem. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.